Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, transparenttradesolutions.com on a Friday. This is 29th August, last trading day of August. Let's go ahead and take a look. We had a little bit of a sell-off this morning, which came really out of the blue. I expected maybe it was going to be a quiet summer Friday. Apparently not. And it was due to maybe trying to figure out still whether it was due to the inflation numbers or more or less to NVIDIA getting sold off. But since then, I'm doing this live. By the way, it's 12:30 on the West Coast. We are basically just bunched up here, just hanging right around the 64, 55 level. There's still half an hour of trading, so they could sell off, but I doubt it now. No, I think now we're in the kind of summer doldrums. But the good news is next week we have volume coming back. We've got non-farm payrolls, all kinds of stuff. We got our first level down in here. NASDAQ taking the brunt of the selling today a little bit, also hanging right around 2345. So, yeah, it'll be interesting to see if we get some follow through next week on the selling and whether this is a peak or not. We will see. Also interesting, along with everything else today, Bitcoin also attempting to sell off. But everything's kind of stalled out here going into the end of the day with a long holiday. We also, notable rates are right at the breakout point, perhaps here around 410, 418 level. We'll see if they actually break down. And very interesting development in the metals today. There's commodities are really and I've been writing about this. I'll be writing about this weekend, so subscribe to the newsletter. Gold headed to the prior high, 35.28. Silver breaking out. I've been talking forever about 50 an ounce. This is actually a daily supply. We'll see if that actually breaks above that. You go to the weekly chart, you can see that right over here. So it looks like maybe we're headed to 43, 44 on silver. What is lagging still is copper. So copper still just kind of dead in the water, but we'll see how that. And nat gas looks like it may be putting in a bottom here. Most of my members have been buying UNG, so we'll see if that actually holds and we can get a gap higher on Sunday. Remember, there is a futures market on Sunday. And then with the grain markets, corn looks pretty good here for a possible move higher in corn futures against that level there, 404. There's a gap to fill at 37. Wheat also looks interesting if it can break above 533, and then soybeans need to break above 1075. So maybe there is some seasonality in the grain markets coming up, positive seasonality. So that's maybe in the cards for next week. So be alerted to that. In any event, have a great weekend. Have a great long weekend. Again, subscribe to the newsletter. I do have a class coming up, interestingly, about trend anticipation analysis, which is going to be on Wednesday. So sign up for that class. It's going to be on Wednesday after the holiday. All right. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Tuesday. Take care.